from grade 5 NCERT book Khilone Wala. The poem is written by Subhadra Kumari Chauhan, a very famous poet of Hindi literature. So the poem is like that. In this poem, she has tried to explain the feeling of a child, what he think when he saw the toys and how he is talking and explaining to his mother. So let's see. खिलौने वाला means toy seller. वह देखो माँ आज खिलौने वाला फिर से आया. Look it mom, today again that toy seller has come. कई तरह के सुंदर सुंदर नए खिलौने लाया. Different types of beautiful toys he has brought. हरा हरा तोता पिंजड़े में गेंद एक पैसे वाली. What all toys he has, now the child is explaining. He is telling कि हरा 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 means green, तोता means parrot, पिंजड़े cage. So he is telling there is a green parrot in a cage. गेंद एक पैसे, remember these all are toys which he is explaining about. गेंद एक पैसे वाली, as Subhadra Kumari Chauhan was a poet during our independence. She was there till 1948. So that time the value of 1 paisa and 2 paisa was much. You can buy toys from that. So this is the reason he is telling that not only the parrot, the toy parrot is there in cage, but also there is a ball of 1 paisa. छोटी सी मोटर गाड़ी है. There is a small toy motor car. सरसर चलने वाली. सरसर is a sound of motor car. When it runs, the sound comes like सरसर सरसर. So he is explaining like that. सीटी भी है कई तरह के. सीटी means whistle. There are different types of whistles. कई तरह के सुंदर खेल. There are different types of toys he has. चाबी भर देने से भग भग करती चलने वाली रेल. चाबी is key. Nowadays we can see the toys with battery, but earlier the toys were of, there was a key in all the toys. The moment you will turn that key twice thrice like this, the toy will start running. So yeah, the motor will start working. It was connected something like that. So he's telling the moment we fill the key, means we put that key in the toy, the train, rail means train, the train will start running, and the smoke sound which was coming in the train earlier. So he's telling the bhak bhak करते चलने वाली रेल, the train will start running. गुड़िया भी है बहुत भली सी. She has a very good doll. पहने कानों में बाली. पहना means wearing. She has worn a, बाली means earring. कानों में बाली means earring. So that doll is very good and she has worn a earring. छोटा सा टी सेट है. टी सेट is the set of tea, or tea set with a pot and cup and tray and all. So he is telling that there is a small tea set also. छोटे छोटे हैं लोटा थाली. थाली is plates and lota is actually in village area. If you will go there is a pot which people they use as a jug to keep water and all. So he said that he means all the utensils are very small he has, toy utensils. छोटे छोटे धनुष बाण है. धनुष बाण means bow and arrow. So he has small bow arrow as well. है छोटी छोटी तलवार. तलवार is sword. So he has also small sword, toy sword also. नए खिलौने ले लो भैया जोर जोर वह रहा पुकार. And the toy seller is calling loudly and telling that come and buy new toys. Bhaiya means brother. Means brother, come and buy new toys. मुन्नू ने गुड़िया ले ली है. Munnu has bought the doll. मोहन ने मोटर गाड़ी. Then on the other hand, Mohan has bought that motor car. मचल मचल सरला कहती है. Machal means jumping, and Sarla is telling to her mother what she is telling. माँ से लेने को साड़ी. She is telling her mother to buy साड़ी for her. साड़ी is the साड़ी. कभी खिलौने वाला भीमा क्या साड़ी ले आता है. And then she is asking also कि माँ, Is this toy seller has sari also? Sari is the ladies which they wear, sari. In English also it is that only. साड़ी तो वह कपड़े वाला कभी कभी दे जाता, and then he's telling also कि no, he's toy seller and he doesn't have sari. Sari, that कपड़े वाला, the cloth seller is going to bring the sari. अम्मा तुमने तो ला करके मुझे दो दिए पैसे 4. Then another child is telling that mama you have given me 4 पैसा. कौन खिलौना लेता हूँ मैं, तुम भी मन में करो विचार. So this is the reason he's asking his mother that you have given me 4 paisa. Man mein, in your mind. Vichar means think. You have given me 4 paisa to buy toy. Now think in your mind which toy I should buy. तुम सोचोगी मैं ले लूँगा. Whichever toy you will tell me to buy, I will buy. I will take that toy. तोता, बिल्ली, मोटर, रेल. Whichever you will say. Parrot, cat, car or train, anything, whichever you will say, I will take that toy. पर माँ यह मैं कभी न लूँगा. So he's telling that you think in your mind, you have given me 4 paisa and I'm going to buy the toy which you are going to think and you're going to tell me to buy. But I'm not going to buy parrot, cat, motor and rail. So this child has some different thought. He doesn't want to buy these toys. Why he doesn't want to buy these toys? He is telling, ये तो है बच्चों के खेल. Means these toys are for kids, small kids, because he is thinking he is very grown up. So he is telling these toys, but I'm not going to, whatever you will say I will buy, but I'm not going to buy these toys because these are for very small kids. मैं तो तलवार खरीदूंगा माँ. But oh माँ, I'm going to buy. खरीदूंगा means buy. So I'm going to buy a sword. या मैं लूँगा तीर कमान. Either I will buy a sword or I'm going to buy bow and arrow. जंगल में जा किसी ताड़का को मारूंगा राम समान. If you have seen Ramayan, in Ramayan, Rama has killed the demon Tadka. So he is telling that after getting that Tir Kaman, I will also go to jungle, forest, and I am also going to kill demon Tadka like Ram. तपसी यज्ञ करेंगे, असुरों को मैं मार भगाऊंगा. Tapasi means the saint, the sadhu. They all will do yagya and havan. That is a puja. If you have seen Ramayana, you have seen that how saints and all they were doing puja, yagya and havan, so that Ram will become more stronger and he will kill more asuras, demons. So he is also telling that they are going to do puja and I am going to kill all the asuras. मार भगाऊंगा, I am going to kill them. यूं ही कुछ दिन करते करते रामचंद्र बन जाऊंगा. I am going to do like this. I am going to kill all the demons, and after some day I will also become Ramchandra. Means I will also become like King Rama. And I hope you all know that Rama's mother's name was Kaushalya. So he said, यहीं रहूंगा कौशल्या में, तुमको यहीं बनाऊंगा. That I am going to stay with you only. I will become Rama and I am going to make you Kaushalya, mother of Ram. तुम कह दोगी वन जाने को, हंसते हंसते जाऊंगा. And as you will say, like Kaushalya, if you will tell me to go to the jungle like Rama, with a smile I will do that. I will also go to jungle. पर माँ बिना तुम्हारे वन में मैं कैसे रह पाऊंगा? As this is the child, he wanted to become like a Ram, but he has so many questions. He's telling that okay, I will become like a Ram, I will make you Kaushalya, and if you will tell me to go to jungle like Ram, I will go. But then his question is that how I will stay in jungle without you? पर माँ बिना तुम्हारे वन में मैं कैसे रह पाऊंगा? Without you, how I will stay in jungle? दिन भर घूमूंगा जंगल में, लौट कहाँ पर आऊंगा? Whole day I will move in jungle here and there, but I won't be able to return home. किससे लूंगा पैसा? From whom I will take money? रूठूंगा तो कौन मना लेगा? रूठूंगा means if I will get angry, who is going to make me smile? कौन प्यार से बिठा गोद में मन चाही चीजें देगा? Who is going to make me sit in her lap and going to give me all the things which I want? So this is all about the poem Khilone Wala. Thank you.